Welcome back to Whelen Command Pro Tips. Today we are going to discuss events. For this demonstration, we have already selected the 21 and slide control head, Liberty 2 Duo with Duo Traffic Advisor, and the Integrated Traffic Advisor. To start, we will select the Events page from the top. An event is an action that occurs when one or more user-programmable condition is met. For this demonstration, we will go through how to create the split TA event. To add an event, we first must select the plus button, and we will name our event Split TA. The first condition will be when 21 and slide TA direction left is on. We will now need to add a second condition. This is done by clicking the plus button. The second condition will be when 21 and slide TA direction right is on. We can now exit out of the event manager. With Split TA event highlighted, anything that we program will occur when this condition is met. We will now go to the light bar, select all the amber modules in the rear. Under Flash Pattern, we will select TA, one lamp sequence split. We will click Escape to deselect the modules, and we can click Play to see what we have programmed. If we go back to the Events page, there are a couple important notes that we should talk about. In the top right, make sure that we are programming in Advanced mode. Select the Cycle Hands-Free Buffer event, and select the Pencil Edit. Here you will see two conditions are linked together. Conditions can be linked or unlinked by holding the Shift key and selecting the condition. Then, under the event conditions, select the chain or the broken chain, respectively. These two conditions are linked because of the OR. It is always best practice to link OR conditions together to ensure both conditions are evaluated individually and not skipped over. On the right side of the Event Manager, you will also notice that there are check boxes. If the box is checked, it will place the instruction for the event on that condition. If we close the Event Manager and we open up the Instruction Viewer, select 21 and slide, Manual, and On, you will see that the Cycle Hands-Free Buffer event instructions are listed here. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more Whelen Command Pro tips.